Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. So if you want to learn how I make this delicious oatmeal, please stay tuned, keep watching. If you're new here, please remember to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. Also leave us a comment what you think. We always want to hear from you. So this is our oatmeal pap that I prepared myself, even from scratch, girls. Yeah, from scratch. So if you want to learn, please keep watching, subscribe to our channel so that you will be following on our recipes. All right guys, so this is my oatmeal, my pap. To see how we prepare this, let's get to the kitchen and start cooking. So guys, I'll be making my oatmeal pap. This is my pap here. I prepared this myself. Wrap it in a leather like this and store it in the fridge. It will last as long as the fridge remains on. Even if it is 5 months, 1 year, it will still last and taste fresh. So I have a video on how I prepared this from scratch, guys, to the finish. So if you want to learn how to get this for yourself, simply click on the link that is going to be displayed now. Maybe you go and watch it and come back to continue this one. It's like a part 1 on 2 TV video. You can even save it to watch later, so that you can always make this for your family to eat. Very healthy and organic, no preservative, guys. So organic. So this is I want to make this morning. Once you get yours, you get it out from the fridge, you allow it to defreeze. You can dip it in the water and allow it to defreeze. Put it in a bowl that you want to use to make it, and add water little by little to dissolve it. Make it into paste. So you get your pap ready. Just be adding water little by little so that you do not make it too watery. Also add a little one and you press like this. If you want to make it in a, let's say you want to have this bowl size, for example, you might not necessarily turn it in this bowl size. You can get a bigger bowl, after which you transfer into the bowl you want to. Just little more water. So that is the importance of adding water little by little. Don't be in a rush to overwater it. If you make it too watery, the pap might not come out nice. The benefit of this pap is that both adults and children all love it, because when you're done with it, it will be so smooth that even little baby can swallow it. As a matter of fact, that is what I even use for my baby, 7 months. Yeah, kind of add some other things, the milk and other things that the baby will need with it. So look at the paste. You see, it's not that watery. As you're stirring this, your hot water should be on the fire. Before you're done, it will get boiled. So guys, our hot water is ready. Once your water has boiled, give it a quick stir. Then turn your hot water inside it like this. As you turn it, stir gently. You see it? On as we do so the moment you just turn it, see it thickens like this. So just leave it for like 2 minutes before turning it. So the moment you allow it to cool a little, you kind of give it a gentle stir. You see it? Give it a gentle stir till you have properly stirred everywhere. Give it a gentle stir all around. That you want to use. So this is how you make your own delicious pap oatmeal, and everyone will love it. So for my thumbnail, I just want to drop this. Leaf on it. This is what. This is my plantain potato. Sorry, sweet potato chips that I prepared. I want to be using it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again on my next video. Hope you like the video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share out.